Jadolo moro kod min ode gwenge mag Matungulu e kaunti ma Machakos otito ngwech bang' kane ofweny ni noriambo mondo oyud sir ne nyathine. Wachore ni jadolo no mano ndikore kaka jal mano osewito ngimane kane gimanyo sir mar somo ne nyare ma ja sikund sekondar ma Caring Hearts Group of Schools Matungulu. Wuon machalo kamano ne gitimo higni 4 mokalo ka yuto gi ne ni piny nikech wuon nyathino ne osetho. Skul no koro dwaro ni mondo jadolo no chul omenda maromo siling 450 manotii godo e siro somb nyargi no.
We are trying to address the needs of the poor children. Sometimes we find actually people who are wealthy, they have the resources they need, but they want to take advantage of the poor. We are dealing today with the case of Bishop Ezekiel Macharia, who has a church in Kitengela, and he brought his daughter here a few years ago, 4 years ago, and that daughter was educated by the organization, paying little and nothing, and because we were told that she had a very bad background, vulnerable background, only to find out this man owns a good vehicle, this guy is a bishop, and he has everything, and actually he was bringing another student there, another student for us to educate, another daughter of his, and we had just found out that he was not a needy person. So he is now required by our legal advisors to pay 450,000, and that is not even enough because actually this girl has been here and she has been taken to academic trips, sports trips, and a lot of other benefits of being in Caring Arts, and now she was not paying anything. And then there is a disadvantage here to the child. This child is going to know now the reason why she's not going to come back to Caring Arts as a tutor, the reason why we are not going to give her any awards like our students who pass before they go to university, we give them awards, and we also give them laptops. She's not going to get those things. And the reason is because the parents lied that they were poor, but they were not.